Top 6 Business Trends That Will Shock You in 2024. The business world is constantly evolving. Stay ahead of the curve and prepare for the future. Here are some specific trend ideas. These trends are already shaping the business landscape in 2024. Trend number 1, the rise of the robot workforce. AI automation. AI robots automate tasks requiring human upskilling for creative and social roles. Trend number 2, remote work revolution. The future of offices. Remote work booms, forcing companies to adapt with collaboration tools and potentially smaller offices. Trend number 3, the green revolution. Sustainability is a business imperative. Businesses need eco-friendly practices to attract the consumers and comply with regulations. Trend number 4, the data deluge. Big data, businesses that analyze data win. Trend number 5, the customer is king. Personalization and hyper-engagement. Personalization is key, with business tailoring experiences based on data. Trend number 6, the rise of freelancer economy. Companies gain access to a wider talent pool but need a new management approach. Subscribe the channel